Hello, this is Chris Curry, Service Director at Dennis Eakin Kia, and today we're going to go over a few steps on how to properly use our tire mobility kit that comes with a lot of our new Kia vehicles. Step one, you'll want to remove the tire mobility kit from your trunk and shake the bottle of sealant. You'll open the bottle of sealant and attach it to the mounting kit on the compressor. Step three, you'll attach the compressor hose to the tire that's low. Step four, you'll connect the compressor power outlet to the power outlet in the car. Step five, you'll start the vehicle and turn the compressor on to start to inflate the tire and release the sealant. Step six, you'll let the compressor run for approximately 10 minutes to watch the tire pressure until it gets to the desired pressure. Step seven, you'll turn the compressor off, remove the kit from the vehicle, and put it back in the storage in the trunk. Step eight, to make sure the sealant spreads out evenly, you'll want to drive the car for 5 to 10 minutes over 50 miles an hour. Step nine, the final step, would be to check the tire pressure again and then have an appointment set up at your nearest Kia dealer to have the tire addressed. So that's how to use the tire mobility kit properly that comes with your new Kia vehicle. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Dennis Eakin Kia, and thanks for watching.